What is up, you guys? It
Hey
is
y'all, I
Parker
think
here
we're
with Deco
live.
Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, I was getting a lot of questions on how to use the vinyl decals, so I figured we would use one tonight. All right, we're gonna need a few things. You're gonna need a vinyl decal. You're gonna either need a wooden round or some type of board that is made for them. You may need an X-Acto knife. I recommend using a little bit of water in a spray bottle. And then you're gonna need something to spread them out. Y'all, you can just use a credit card with a paper towel over it if you want. All right, so let's do one on here. Side note, I have not used the decal on the wreath rails. I just got these in stock. So the wreath rail is slightly larger than the decal sticker. So what I did was I grabbed my spray paint. Y'all, I used the Rust-Oleum 2X. And I spray painted it. But then I didn't want it to flake off the plastic. So I did put a clear coat over the paint. They're gray. I didn't want it to be gray. Y'all, and then we're gonna treat this just like if it was tint on a window, right? So if you've ever put tint on a window, you know that if you spray it with a little bit of water, the tint will move around. And as soon as the water dries, it's permanent. So let's get a little bit of water on here. Y'all, we just want it to be damp. Y'all, all this is a travel bottle from the Dollar Tree. Y'all, the decal is just a giant vinyl sticker. So all you have to do is pull it up. Make sure you have it where you want it. Y'all, I'm just gonna want a little bit of an edge all the way around it. Y'all, I'm gonna use some craft foam with my little edge. You don't want to use a sharp edge on the decal because it could scratch it. Right? Then just push any water, air bubbles out. All right, so you can see like there's just a little red trim all the way around. Y'all, then just take a paper towel or a towel and dry it off. Y'all, when it dries, it's gonna be completely permanent. Yeah, make sure you put that water. Y'all, and once you squeegee that water out of there, it's gonna be really hard to move. So get it good and wet, place it down, and if it's crooked, pull it back up real quick before you get the water out of it. Once you get that water down, it's gonna be impossible. Like, I'm trying to get my nail under there. It's not gonna work. Y'all, the company, these are the same type of stickers that you put like on the bumper of a car, right? So they're made to go outdoors. They're made to be in the weather. You're gonna be good. All right, the wooden round. Y'all, this came from Amazon. If you go on Amazon and put in 10-inch wooden round, they'll pop up. All right, now this is what I've learned about wooden rounds on Amazon. Not a single one of them are exactly the same size. Not a single one. Some are right at 10 inches, some are a little bit smaller than 10 inches. Okay? So on these, what I do is first peel off the sticker. Now look, just spraying water on here isn't gonna work out, but if you painted it, then you could spray water on it. Okay, so what we're gonna do if we wanna put it on a round for a sign, y'all, I'm just gonna lay it flat on my table, sticky side up. Then I'm gonna take my wooden round and I'm gonna put it right over the center. I'm gonna have a little bit of a lip all the way around. And then I'm just gonna set it down right on top. Push it down, flip it over. All right, we're gonna do our same trick. You can use a credit card, you can use whatever you have with an edge. Just make sure you don't scratch that vinyl with the edge. Put something around it, paper towel, whatever you got. Get it nice and smooth on there. Okay, this is where I was telling you that every decal or every wooden circle has been slightly different sized for me. So if you look at it, you can see I've got a little bit of the sticker edge all the way hanging off on the whole thing. Y'all, all I've been doing, lay it flat, pull out your X-Acto knife, and as close as you can to the wooden round, just trim it off. If you're doing this, make sure you do it on your healing mat. You don't want to cut into your table or anything. Y'all, I do slice mine off every once in a while so that I don't have to worry about fighting with it. Now, y'all, this is not going to be for everyone. But for those of you that are trying to save a little bit of money, the vinyl stickers and making your own signs is relatively inexpensive. All right, now, and because this is such a thin piece of wood, I would probably at this point come back with a little bit of Mod Podge and a paintbrush, and I would paint this whole edge all the way around. And I would probably paint the back. Y'all, it's a cute little sign.